Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're really diving deep into a fascinating world, kind of where technology meets good old-fashioned cleaning.
Yeah, it's incredible to think about
Yeah,
how tech has really become a part of everything we do.
totally. I always think, are we living in the future yet? Are we going to have, like, robot maids serving us drinks next?
It's a good question. It does feel very Jetsons, doesn't it?
Right. But it's not just our homes, right? This is impacting businesses in a big way, especially when we're talking about, managing cleaning operations.
Absolutely. And I think one of the most exciting developments in this space is the Internet of Things, what we call IoT.
Okay, so for our listeners out there who are maybe uh, deep in the day-to-day of cleaning operations, what does that actually mean?
So imagine this. You're a cleaning business owner, maybe a facility manager. You're dealing with budgets, inventory, staff, and of course, staying on top of everything with, sustainability. It's a lot.
It is, and then on top of all that, you've got those constantly rising expectations for hygiene.
Exactly. And that's where something like the iClean dashboard can really make a difference.
So this isn't just a fancy buzzword.
No, no, no.
We're talking about a real tool that can help people in the cleaning industry.
Exactly. It's about giving them a way to work smarter, not harder.
I like the sound of that.
Right. So there's a company called Tersano. They're really leading the charge here. And they've developed the Lotus Pro V9. They're calling it the world's first, chemical dispenser with IoT capabilities. Now, what if I told you this system could actually turn regular tap water into a disinfectant?
Wait, hold on. Are we saying we can just use water?
You heard that right. The secret ingredient is ozone.
Ozone, like what's in the atmosphere?
Exactly. Ozone is a naturally occurring disinfectant. You know that fresh, clean smell in the air after a thunderstorm? That's ozone naturally cleaning the environment.
Okay, that makes sense. So how does Tersano capture that lightning in a bottle, so to speak, and use it for cleaning?
Well, it's not magic, although it might feel like it. The Lotus Pro V9 takes regular tap water and infuses it with ozone, creating something called stabilized aqueous ozone, or SAO.
Okay, SAO, got it.
And that SAO is what does the heavy lifting. It's a cleaning agent, gets rid of bacteria and viruses, even better than a lot of traditional chemical cleaners, but it's safe for us and the planet.
So it's like harnessing the power of nature, but in a way that's, controlled and reliable.
Yeah.
But where does the iClean dashboard fit into all of this?
That's where things get really interesting, because that's how we connect this powerful cleaning solution with smart data.
So is this cleaning system, like, thinking for itself?
In a way, yes. It's like the brains behind the operation.
Okay.
The iClean dashboard takes all the data from the Lotus Pro V9, how much SAO is being used, where even when supplies are low, and it turns that data into something cleaning professionals can actually use.
So it's not just about cleaning anymore. It's about understanding how we clean and how to do it better and more sustainably.
Right.
But on a serious note, this dashboard sounds like it could be a game changer for cleaning professionals. Can you kind of paint a picture for our listeners what data-driven cleaning actually looks like in action?
Absolutely. So imagine this. It's Monday morning. You walk into your office. But instead of being bombarded with those inventory reports and maintenance requests and, that feeling like you're already behind.
Yeah, you're already drowning in paperwork.
Exactly. You're greeted by this clean, organized dashboard that just lays everything out in front of you.
Okay, I like where this is going.
And that's the beauty of it, right? Everything you need is right there. Let's say you're managing cleaning for a big office building. A quick glance at the dashboard, and you can see how much SAO each floor has used. No more guesswork. The iClean dashboard takes care of all that. It can even predict when you'll need to order more supplies, so you're always ahead of the game.
Proactive instead of reactive. I love it. Okay, but we can't forget sustainability. It's one thing to say you're using an eco-friendly solution, but how does this dashboard actually help businesses measure their impact?
That's a great question, and it's where I think Tersano has really done something special.
Okay.
For starters, the iClean dashboard, it tracks how much plastic they're saving by not using those single-use bottles, how much less chemical cleaner they need. They even convert those savings into a CO2 reduction equivalent. They actually measure it in trees.
Okay, now you've got me intrigued. Trees and cleaning. How do those two connect?
Well, think of trees as like nature's air purifiers, right? They absorb that CO2. They're cleaning our air. What Tersano did is they figured out a way to show you the impact of using the Lotus Pro V9 and the iClean dashboard.
So instead of just saying, hey, we're using fewer chemicals, businesses can actually see the difference they're making in a way that makes sense.
Exactly. The dashboard takes all the data on your SAO usage and translates it into the equivalent of how many trees would be needed to absorb the same amount of CO2 if you were using those traditional cleaning methods. Not only are you creating a healthier environment, but you're also showing your commitment to sustainability in a way that everyone understands.
Absolutely. It's a win-win for everyone. This really feels like it's about transforming the entire industry.
Mm.
But with all this talk about data and dashboards, what about the people doing the actual cleaning?
That's such an important point. Because even with all the data in the world, you still need a skilled and supported workforce to make it all work.
Of course. So how does the iClean dashboard help those frontline workers be more effective?
Well, it's really amazing how this technology can make a difference for everyone. I mean, imagine you're on a cleaning team, right? And you're used to those paper checklists, maybe some clunky old communication system. But with the iClean dashboard, everything you need is right there, literally in your pocket.
So we're talking real-time updates, maybe training resources, even a way to contact tech support, all in one place.
You got it. Instant access to whatever you need. It's all about making things run more smoothly, more efficiently.
I love it. It really does feel like this technology has the potential to change things for everyone involved, from management to the cleaning staff.
Yeah.
It's really incredible to see how sustainability and efficiency and, supporting employees, it's all connected.
Absolutely. And the best part is we're just scratching the surface here. As more companies start using these kinds of data-driven tools, who knows what we'll be able to achieve?
It really gets you thinking, if a cleaning solution can be this innovative, what other possibilities are out there?
It's true. It's exciting to think about.
It really is. Well, on that note, I think we've done a pretty deep dive on the iClean dashboard today.
We really have.
We've seen how it's changing the cleaning industry and, really helping businesses build a cleaner, healthier future for everyone.
It all comes down to, asking the right questions, being open to new technology, and remembering that innovation can come from anywhere.
Absolutely. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us for this deep dive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking those great questions.